What's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. Alright, I'd like to welcome y'all to another show after doing that do-over and stuff like that. Okay, so now I'm about to show y'all my PS3 collection. Okay, here we go. WWE All-Stars. Okay, I wonder if Randy TV will like this. They have it on PS2. I'm planning on getting that for PS2. Vin Diesel Wheelman. Okay, Bobby gave me this. Alright. Super Street Fighter 4 Arcade Edition. Okay. Alright. Man 07. Okay. Super Street Fighter 4. Okay. Yes, indeed. NBA 2K12, okay? As y'all know, I don't play them, I just watch them, okay? Alright? Some people say this game suck right here. Sonic the Hedgehog 2006, okay? Well, this game I but I suck at this game, so I quit. But I'm not gonna trade it in. I'm gonna keep it. Street Fighter X Tekken, Street Fighter Cross Tekken I meant to say, but it looks like an X right here, but it's Cross Tekken, I guess. Wow, awesome. NBA 08, okay, how many of y'all like that? Love it. NBA 2K14, okay. As y'all know, I only watch them, not play them. I play this, NBA Live 10. Yep. MLB, The Show 07. Major League Baseball, The Show 07. Sonic Generation, okay. How many of y'all like this? This game is okay. I gotta get a new one. Okay, the part's cracked. Okay, thing came apart, I guess. Marvel vs. Capcom 3, a Fate of Two Worlds. Okay, I wish I had the first two for PS2, Sega Dreamcast, PS1. You know, but I don't have a Sega Dreamcast, you know. I wish I did. I was about to get one for Christmas of 2001, but they were sold out. Ultimate Marvel vs. Capcom 3. I just showed y'all the original Marvel vs. Capcom 3, you know. Anybody fans of that? I know I am. Man 08. Yep. Man 13. Okay. I suck at football, as y'all know. Grand Theft Auto episodes from Liberty City. Okay. Grand Theft Auto 5. Okay. I'm surprised Randy TV don't have this. Damn that fool. Never picks up a Grand Theft Auto no more. So I done got all his games from that. The original Street Fighter 4, okay, as well as Street Fighter 2 original, okay. NBA Live 08, and last but not least, Sonic's Ultimate Genesis Collection, okay. All right. Alright, that's it. If I'm missing any games, I'll probably do another do-over. Okay? Alright? Peace out.